Welcome back, students. This is the third part, and we are doing chapter number 4, urbanization. Now, under urbanization, now we are going to read positive impact of urbanization. Now, urbanization yields several positive effects if it happens within the appropriate limits. And some of the positive impacts of urbanization include creation of employment opportunities, technological and infrastructural advancements, improved transportation and communication, quality educational and medical facilities, and improved standard of living. So these points, listed below are some more of such positive impacts. The first one is efficiency. The cities are often more efficient than rural areas. Due to urbanization, less effort is needed to supply basic amenities such as fresh water and electricity. In most cities, flat system is prevalent. In these flats, many people can be accommodated within a small land area. The picture that you see over here is the flats which accommodate many people within a small area. So cities and towns are often more efficient than these rural areas. Less effort is required to supply basic amenities, for example, fresh water, electricity. Okay. Next is convenience. Now, access to education, health, social services, and cultural activities are more readily available to people in cities than in villages. And life in cities is much more comfortable in comparison to the life in villages or rural areas, as there are many network problems, and even the transport and communication system is also not adequate. So life in cities is much more comfortable compared to the life in villages, as networks of transport and communication are constantly getting developed. So access to education, healthcare, social services, cultural activities is easily available in these urban areas. Next is concentration of educational facilities. Now, more schools, colleges, and universities are being established in cities to train and develop human resource. So to train the human beings, there are more schools, colleges, and universities in the cities. Okay, they're developing more in the cities. A variety of educational institutions are available and are offering students a wide range of choices for their future careers, which is absent again in the rural areas. So this is again one very important, positive impact of urbanization. Next is better social, integration. Better social integration. People of different caste, groups, and religions live and work together in cities. So in cities, we have better social integration. People of belonging to different caste, different groups, different religions, they live and work together in harmony in the cities. This creates better understanding and harmony, and also helps in breaking down social and cultural barriers. And there is a place for everyone in the urban society, and hence people, they have this tendency to migrate towards the urban places, because there is this place for everyone. In urban society, there is a place for everyone, and people integrate and learn to live with one another. Next is new markets. Now, markets have always attracted people. As a result of urbanization, many modes of marketing have opened up. The internet has now become a space for new markets worldwide. Anyone can sell in this market by posting, advertisements on the web, or creating their own websites from the comfort of their home. So markets, they have always attracted people towards them. Now, due to urbanization, many forms of markets, they have opened up. One such example is now the internet, that has become a new space for new markets worldwide. And any one of us can sell in this market by posting just advertisements on the web or by creating our own websites. Next is economic improvement. All the economic development is actually based on urbanization. As urbanization is closely related to industrialization, it is also related to growth of economy. High-tech industries earn valuable foreign exchange and lots of money for the country. People move to the cities mostly because of job opportunities, for employment opportunities. As more enterprises and organizations are being established, more people have jobs, and the added value as a result also increases. So all types of economic development, all the economic development is actually based on urbanization. Now how? We know that urbanization is very closely related to industrialization. How? How is it very closely related to industrialization? Because industrialization contributes to an increase in urban population and also is responsible in the establishment of towns and cities. So towns and cities also develop in areas where industries have been established. So people, they migrate to these places for better employment opportunities, and as more enterprises and organizations are being established, more people can have jobs. They'll get jobs, and thus the added value as a result also increases.